It literally bends like. It's bad, dude. I need a new one. But we gonna install a whole new ignition and all that. Oh shit! Hold on. Turn that on. Hello. Hello. I think it's giving a lot of juice, huh?